Hello, beautiful people. Why are you staring at a fragile box? Because we are in the middle of a transition here. So if you came for the Hank and Henry Pride mystery box, this is it. Tinier than I thought. I mean, it's smaller than my hand. Okay, this was 45 bucks. Shout out to Yvette, member, for letting me know about such great deals. So this is my first Hank and Henry. I'm gonna run out of times where I can say this is my first, but that's okay, because next time it'll be my second. So this is my first time get a Hank and Henry mystery box. Let's see if it's worth the $45. Okay, got my handy dandy scissors. Shout out to Blue's Clues. And it says fragile. I don't know if I can do this. This is what it's looking like. You don't get the scissors. So 45 bucks. Pride mystery box. Anybody ever gotten Hank and Henry? I know people say that their brushes are great, but this is like the smallest package I've ever received, literally. All right, what are these cute things? They're little puffs. Plush puffs. Oh, exactly. Many powder puffs. There's 6 of them. They're very cute. All right. And then what's this guy? Eye, cheek, and lip. Oh, okay. So what's the color? Is this the color? Gothis? All right. I'm afraid. All right, so let's see. I can already see there's a palette in here, which I've gotten before, I believe, in BoxyCharm. Oh boy. Okay, so let's open this puppy up. I like the packaging. So how does this work here? This is the color, if you can see it. It's like a plum. What the freak? I am having a heck of a time with this, so I don't know, maybe it's childproof. Moving on. What is this? Slick. Okay, liquid liner. It's in blickety brown. Brickety would have been better. Anyway, eyeliner. This color canvas paints. Baby blue. I'm interested. Might be too early for this. Ooh, wow, that does look like a tube of paint. But like, really, is it? Multi-use cream. Guys, I'm already not happy. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items for 45 bucks. And this Living in Color palette has been everywhere. Not impressed. I was hoping I would get a brush to try out. I can't even open this, but it's a beautiful color. It's purple. Living for it. I don't even know what to do with this. Okay. And sure. Let me know what you guys think. Was it worth it? And have you tried Hank and Henry? Hank and Henry? And we won't be getting that again. But let me know if you got a great one. Thanks. And stay tuned for more, guys. Stay safe.